Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp logging not available right now problem quickly and easily. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for WhatsApp, and now check update your WhatsApp app. My WhatsApp app already updated showing. Now tap on update option and complete your WhatsApp app update. Okay, back to home screen, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen. Go to phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option, tap on search bar, search for WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp app and force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and delete. Okay, back. And now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First call logs allow back, camera allow back, location allow back, and another microphone, music and audio, nearby devices notifications, turn on notifications or back, and phone, photos and videos, last SMS. Okay, allow. Okay, back to home screen, allow all permission, complete. Last, go to Google Chrome browser and tap on search bar, search for WhatsApp contact. Tap on WhatsApp contact and see, again tap on WhatsApp contact WhatsApp. Scroll down. Now select your country code and enter your phone number. Enter your email address, again confirm email address, select your device, Android, iPhone and another. Okay, and see, now enter your problem here and send next steps, and I hope your problem 24 hours solved. And please subscribe my YouTube channel.